naman?
Mano, mamaya naman.
Mamaya na?
Alam na namin.
Jade, dyan ka na lang, Jade, ha?
Ay, huwag kang gagawin yan. Hindi kang gagawin yan. Dito ka. Ayun ka baba. Tignan natin. Alam mo, picture kaya tama?
Oo, palabasan niyo pa mo rin.
Tapos kayo, ha?
Oo, palaban ng picture.
Ayan, tourist guide mo. Unahin dili kaya kami. Oh, oh.
Or they are releasing heat. We all know they don't have pores, they don't sweat, so the only way to release heat is to...
Kupang. Yeah.
Abo na i-upload kay Facebook na.
May balag na ni Tampeg.
While they are not moving, that's the way of conserving their energy. And when you see them opening their mouth, it doesn't mean that they're hungry. So they're just ventilating or they are releasing heat. Because we all know they don't have pores, they don't sweat. So the only way to release heat is to...
Okay, 50 pesos pa baka gusto nyo mag-avail.
Promotion.
Bye!
Ma, tanongin mo yun.
Oh.
So lifespan po nila they live up to 100 years. That's why they are considered one of the longest living animals. And alam niyo ba na they don't have permanent teeth. So for the entire lifespan, they could change it 3,000 times.
Yung isa,
Pati diyan malati yung mabilis.
Ayan, so minsan bumahanap lang po sila ng tiyempo.
Inumin nyo. Sige.
Dati mami, panganin ka ako. Nakamarine.
tignan mo rin pa rin kakalanda.
Wala mag-request ka naman. Pag ikuha natin dyan, katamo nun.
Ano?
Ulit tayo metro.
Ito to. Eh, kung po rin tayo naman mga tao. Sabi ni Ming to, ayan kanyan.
Pag may busi ka.
Slow metabolism that we only feed them once a week. Every Monday we feed them 150 grams of
Amo.
Hindi nakakakita yan.
Singo? Hindi mo yan o, tahimik eh. Ay! Lambok na pala. Kitang bandang batok. Siyang pala ka ni Beto ko.
Diyan, nag-iagat ang kanuan na.
Mimali.
Sige, kanuan.
Mimali kaya ko. Galit ka na? Bati tayo. Ang galing. Galing ko sumbayaw. Sumbayaw.
Ganun lang hati dyan ka. May 1, 2, 3 yun.
May misa yung 50 pesos. Magkain ta, 15? Ay, 50?
Ayan o.
Pakita natin dyan. Higit ka rin. Tatalang eh. Dito ah. Tali tayo pa yung shoes mo ah.
Gusto mo ba ba ikaw dyan?
Yes, batay ko kang papa mo din. Dito oh.
Si Jade muna, si Jade.
Siya, dito siya oh. Yan. Ay,
Labas mo yung
Labas
ulo
mo
mo.
yung naman mo yan.
Labas mo ulo mo. Labas mo ulo.
ganito baby oh. Yan, ganito.
Yan ne. Pangarap ko dahil pa,
Matakot
no?
lang.
Kaya pinanggang tao la, laklak ang dala.
Pinamang lang tao eh. Tara na po, nahuli tayo ng metro. Makabaw lang tao, makabaw lang tao.
So, kanta pa kanya?
Fairness, miningal ko.
Last na isa?
Ani, nakalabo mo.
Ha?
Ibang bird wall tsaka ratang steak.
Mabingit na.
We call them kalaw. Ang mga kalaw po, they are considered the largest or the biggest hornbill that can be found here in the parrots. So we have, for the first pair of bird, we have the sun conure, we have the blue-back parrot, we have the blue-naped parrot. Ganito pong kulay po ng African gray parrot. So pwede po mag-take ng picture, wag lang po, bawal lang po ang flash. Kasi po madali. Okay, so everybody over there, dito po tayo. And here at your right side, we have 3 kinds of owls. So we have a Philippine Sap owl, Swedish Madonna,
Gloria naman yun.
Those birds for nocturnal and
Tita, may gama ko. Ingal to, tiga ko, makamasura. Makakaya. Mukha
Ayan, kayong tala. Si Alba, kanta ka nga sa. Sing ka Alba, sing. Ay.
Ang kapatid ng Morgan.
Dito ang kapatid ng Morgan.
Hi, Morgan.
Morgan tayo.
Ibunidar na lang yan.
Ay, hindi. Halot ko na nga manakit ang tini eh.
everybody over there, dito po tayo.
Yan, lakan mo rin.
Version of okay, so kung napapansin po, wala silang mga bustot, kaya sila tinawag din. Pero monkey pa rin silang maikutulog. So why was this difference between monkeys and deer? Ang mga monkey po, they are using their pump nila, yung ginagamit nila sa kanilang mga activities. So once again, si Elvis Black Game from Solomon Sea in Bataan, Indonesia. Okay, and here po by the way, we have an ostrich egg. So this is a real ostrich egg. As you can see, may butas po, tinanggalan na ng laman. You can touch it, but please be careful. So mararamdaman niyo po matigas yung shell. It's 2 to 3 millimeters thick. So those are Asian albino water buffalo. Sa Tagalog po, tinatawag na anak araw na kalabaw or the white carabaos. As you can see, their color is white because of direct sunlight. Prone kasi sila to skin cancer and skin diseases. So once again, Asian albino water buffalo. Wala pa naman. So, particularly from Japan. So sa lahat-lahat po ng mga deer, ito po yung pinakamaamuro sa deer. Ay, sika deer po, si Vixen. So by the way, kapag may antler or sungay, sila yung mga lalaki na tinatawag na buck. And kapag walang sungay or antler, sila naman yung mga babae na. And they're very important in manufacturing perfume kasi po they produce musk oil from their musk gland, which is used to preserve the scent of perfume. So once again, bearcat or pinturong. Okay, and everybody po, I know you're very familiar with one of the most expensive coffee here in the Philippines. At your left side, we have palm civet cat.
Cha! Ato, Jade, di ka. Ikaw magpakain ka. Parang ang bango. Burger. Oo, babaw lang pandan. Amoy pandan.
Pwede pang pakain yan?
Oo, yan. Anong pangalan yan?
Burkat.
Jade, ano pa pa ng Jade?
Kalambitin.
Tama na pa kayo. Okay, pakain ka. Dali. Ito, pakain mo sa kanila. Ayan, tignan mo si ano. Ay! Dito ka marap. Dito ka marap. Nagugutom, hindi mo pinapakain.
Kung kita ka kasi mamitsur eh.
Ay! Ayaw mo naman magpakain eh.
At pakipsilin po sila. Mas aktibo. Okay, sir, don't go near that bird. Once again, that bird is considered one of the most dangerous birds. Okay, so back to the cougar po or puma. So, as you notice, yung kanya enclosure malawak mataas pero bakit may bubong? Here po, I know you'll be able to see for the next animal. We have brochy channels.
Ay, yan yung pakain ka dito.
Radiant channel. Notice, you only have one hump. Unlike po sa usually, alam natin na may mga two humps. Yung may mga two humps, sinatawag na Bactrian channel. Sila po, brochy channel, Arabian
Mapakain kayo?
single hump, or one hump sila. And by the way, it is not true that their hump contain water, but it contains fats. Stored fats
malangi
po yung
pa
mga
kayo.
nasa hump nila.
Pwede ka tipid na rin.
Sa Nandore, malanging balong.
Okay, sige po.
Oh, kakain na niyan.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yun.
Wait. Down.
Alam mo, buto ka tamahan ba?
Kaya na, donkey.
Or known as the Panabet.
Oh, imo kakain imo tututok.
Aba na, may klumining.
Doon, ako pa. Taas.